Welcome to ManiWeb.com, your trusted partner for top-quality website and app design services. We specialize in crafting beautiful, responsive, and user-friendly websites and applications tailored to meet the unique needs of your business. From custom websites and e-commerce platforms to mobile apps and web applications, ManiWeb.com offers comprehensive design solutions. Whether you're looking for a fresh website, a clone of an existing application, or a custom design tailored to your business, we do it all at highly competitive prices. We believe in delivering the highest quality design without breaking your budget. With ManiWeb.com, you get professional designs at a reasonable price. Our process is simple and transparent. First, we understand your needs, then create a design tailored for you. Finally, we deliver a ready-to-use product, ensuring you're happy with every step along the way. With years of expertise in design and development, we guarantee a seamless experience, fast turnaround, and ongoing support. Our mission is to make sure your business shines online. Ready to get started? Visit ManiWeb.com and let us bring your digital vision to life. Contact us today for a free consultation. ManiWeb.com, where your ideas come to life.